In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments to tasks in ClickUp. Whether you're working solo or collaborating with a team, adding attachments to your tasks can be an essential step to enhance productivity and keep all necessary information in one place. Let's dive right into the process. First, start by navigating to the specific task where you want to attach your files. You need to be in the task's detailed view, so if you're in a list or a board view, just click on the task's name to open it. Once you're there, you'll notice a menu situated below the task details that offers various options to manage your task effectively. Now, as you look at these options, find the one labeled Attachments. Simply click on it. This will open up a new window that gives you different pathways for uploading your files. Here, you have a couple of choices, each suited for different needs and preferences. If your file is saved directly on your computer, you can go ahead and use the upload function. What's particularly convenient about this method is the drag and drop feature. You can literally drag your file from its current location on your desktop or File Explorer and drop it right into the designated area on ClickUp. This not only saves time, but also simplifies the process. For those of us who frequently use cloud storage services, ClickUp has a solution for that as well. After you've integrated your ClickUp account with services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive, you can choose to attach your files directly from these platforms. When you select this option, it will prompt you to browse your connected cloud storage and pick the files you wish to attach. This is particularly useful for those larger files you might not want to store locally or share via email. Once you've selected your preferred method and uploaded your file, you'll see it appear under the Attachments section within the task. This is incredibly helpful because it centralizes all your relevant documents, making it easy to access whatever you need without having to switch between multiple apps or tabs. Whether it's a PDF document, a spreadsheet, an image file, or any other kind of media, everything is neatly organized within the task itself. And there you have it. By adding attachments to tasks in ClickUp, not only do you keep everything you need in one place, but you also make it far easier for team members to keep up with the latest documents, updates, and resources. I hope this guide has been helpful. Give it a try, and you'll soon see just how seamlessly it can integrate into your workflow. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to leave any questions or comments